Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I recently took another trip to my local Lidl store, L-I-D-L. It's a new store that's coming into town. I'm in the Atlanta area. And they had this 4-piece bar clamp set for $7.99 a set. Let's give a review on these things and let me tell you why I like these. Appreciate you being with us. Okay, here is the PowerFix Profi 4-piece bar clamp set. There we go. I'm trying to get you a view of this whole thing right here. Just turn it sideways. Got 2 bar clamps, different sizes. One is clamping capacity 5.9 inches. That's got to be the smaller one. And I don't know what this is. Oh. Capacity 3.9 inches. So 3.9 and 5.9 inches each. Nice ergonomic looking handles. Let me go ahead and get my razor blade and cut off these zip ties in the back and see what these are about. At least these zip ties cut very easily. There we go. Get all these out of the way. What do we got here? Okay, let's start with these big ones right here. Here we go. PowerFix Profi Plus. Just a generic sliding bar clamp. And one thing that is good about these is, I'll show you in just a second. But right here, it has a push button release. So if this is tight, you just come back here and push this button and there you go. Pretty easy. Now that's easier to push than some of these like Harbor Freight type clamps. Nice ergonomic handle. Okay, these pads, they do come off like this. And you'll notice how these pads are ribbed to help hold the piece that you're clamping. So that's a good feature. Nice, very inexpensive feature, but not too many people will put that on their pads. So far, kind of impressed with this. Okay, if you take this off, take out this screw here. Take it out all the way. This end will come off and you can put it on this end. Push it all the way in. Put the screw back in. Screw or bolt or whatever you want to call it. Put that back in there. Tighten that up. And now you have a spreader. So if you have something such as a drawer that you want to bust apart, put this in the drawer. You can see how it's spreading apart. There you go. Anyway, that's a nice feature. Not uncommon feature in these clamps, but it is helpful in some applications. Let's put this back together how it was. this off. Put it back down here. Put the screw in. Put the screw in this side. There you go. Anyway, pretty impressed with it so far. So let's give it the shake test, which means more than anything. Have a piece of wood here. Piece of wood here. I'm just going to open this up. Turn these on their side. Clamp these two pieces of wood together. Okay. Have it pretty tight. Shake test. I'm going to see if these pieces of wood separate from each other or slide. So get a good grip on here. Not sliding a bit. So it does have good contact. That's good. Okay. Passes the shake test, no issues. It did twist a little bit though, like this. But the clamping pressure did not move. So, there you go. Release this. Overall impression on this size, I don't think you can go wrong. I don't think you can go wrong at all in these. So let's look at these small ones right here. Same design, just miniature. I'm going to hold these together. Clamp these together. Give these a shake test, see what happens. Of course these are going to turn like this, like the other ones did. But pressure, holding them together, those aren't sliding either. So, what can you say about a clamp? It is helpful if you take these pads off and reverse them to go this direction. Doing that, less likely to come off and get lost. So I'll go ahead and do this one right now that we're talking about it. Get this in there. There you go. Got these put back in. You see I have them reversed. So less chance of losing these pads if you reverse them, like I said. Anyway, these 4 clamps right here. 2 larger ones, 2 smaller ones. Got them at Lidl, L-I-D-L. $7.99 for the 4-pack. I don't think you can go wrong with that. I suggest you, if you have a Lidl around near you, jump by and pick up this set of clamps. Can't go wrong with them. My name is Carl and I do appreciate you watching.